10th class student, exercise 9. Some application of trigonometrics. Question number after 5. Question number 6. Question number 6 is a voyage, that is voyage, AB is voyage, which height is 1.5 meter. And 30 meter is tall the building. CD is building which height 30 meter. Boy, distance between boy and building is BD. And boys see the top of the building. Elevation angle is 30. Then boys walk some distance, let reach the point E. (1.5) elevation angle this time is 60. Boys find the distance toward the building. Walk the, so we find an A. Boys AB is equal to 1.5 meter. Building CD is equal to 30 meter. To see at top of building, elevation angle 30. Walk toward the building at C, at E, elevation angle is 60 degree. CD is equal to 30. AB is equal to EF is equal to HD is equal to 1.5 meter. So then CH is equal to 30 minus 1.5 is equal to 28.5. Now this height 28.5 is CH. In triangle CHE, H is 90, CE hypotenuse, EH is base or CH is perpendicular. At first find the EH upon base upon CH is equal to cot 60. EH upon CH value 28.5 is equal to cot 60 value according to table 1 upon under root 3. After cross multiply EH, we find 28.5 upon under root 3. Rationalization is equal to 28.5 under root 3 upon 3 multiply, after multiply 9.5 under root 3 meter is EH value. Now in triangle CHA, H is 90, AC is hypotenuse, AH, we find AH upon CH is equal to cot 30. AH, we find AH upon 28.5 is equal to under root 3. According to table, trigonometrical table, cot 30 is equal to under root 3. After cross multiply, AH is equal to 28.5 under root 3. We find A is equal to AH minus EH. AH value is 28.5 under root 3 minus 9.5 under root 3. After minus under root 3, 27. 19 under root 3 meter is toward the boys building. Question number 6 is complete. In this question number 7 is from a ground that is ground at a point A, angle elevation of the bottom top transmitter tower 20 meter is building COD and transmitter tower fixed at the building. BC is tower, transmitter tower. At point A, to see the top of the transmitter tower, elevation angle is 60. Then bottom of tower angle is 45 degree. We find the value of H. Question number 7. CD's building is equal to 20 meter height. BC transmitter tower is equal to H meter. On ground, at point A, to see top of tower. B, elevation angle is 60 and bottom C at angle 45 degree. So we find the height of the tower. H in triangle ADC. D is 90. So AC is hypotenuse and DC is perpendicular or AD is equal to base. So we find the AD upon base into perpendicular is equal to cot 45. AD is equal to X, CD is equal to 20, cot value is equal to 1. After cross multiply, X is equal to 20 meter. In triangle BDA, angle D is equal to 90. AB is hypotenuse. AD upon BD. Base upon perpendicular, cot 60, AD value X upon BD value will be H plus 20 is equal to cot 60 value 1 upon under root 3. After cross multiply, अंडर रूट 3x इज इक्वल टू h प्लस 20 प्लस h, that is equation first and that is equation second. Putting the value, value of x in equation second. Second equation is h plus 20 is equal to under root 3 minus under root 3x. h plus 20 is equal to under root 3 20. h is equal to 20 under root 3 minus 20. After common, 20 is common, under root 3 minus 1 is the height of transmitter tower is equal to 20 bracket under root 3 minus 1 meter. If given the value of under root 3, so putting the value in the last stage. Question number 16 is reciprocal. 8 question is reciprocal of question number 7. This time is another question. Statue height is 1.6. Question number 7 after question number 8, that is statue 1.6 meter BC. DC is pedestal. Angle, this time angle same, total angle 60. Is 45. Question number 8. 8 BC is equal to statue. Is equal to 1.6 meter. CD is equal to pedestal. Is equal to h meter. At ground, to see top and bottom, elevation angle 60 and 45 degree. We find the value of H in triangle ADC. D is 90, AC is perpendicular, base is AD or perpendicular is CD, hypotenuse is AC or base is equal to AD. AD upon perpendicular is equal to cot 45. AD lat is equal to X and CD is equal to H. Cot 45 value is equal to 1. After cross multiply, H is equal to X. Now in triangle BDC, BDA, D is 90, AD upon BD is equal to cot 60. AD is equal to X, BD will be 1.6 plus H is equal to tan 60 value is under root 3. One upon under root 3 after cross multiply under root 3x is equal to 1.6 plus h. That is equation number 2. Putting the value equation first to equation second. Second equation is under root 3 x is equal to 1.6 plus h. X is equal to h. So under root 3 h is equal to 1.6 plus h under root 3h minus s. H is equal to 1.6. After common under root 3 minus 1 is equal to 1.6. H is equal to 1.6 upon under root 3 minus 1. Rationalization of denominator after 1.6 bracket under root 3 minus 1 plus 1 upon under root 3 square minus 1 square. A minus b, use of identity a plus b or a minus b. 1.6 bracket under root 3 plus 1 upon 3 minus 1. H is equal to 1.6 bracket under root 3 plus 1 upon 2. 0.8 bracket under root 3 plus 1. H is value. तो फाइट height of pedestal is equal to 0.8 bracket under root 3 plus 1 meter. Question number 8 is complete. Question number 9. Question number 9 is question number 9. Two building A, B and C, D, two building elevation angle bottom from the tower. CD is tower and AB is building. H and from the bottom of building elevation angle of tower is 60. So find the height of the building. Question number 9 is CD is tower is equal to 50 meter height. AB building is equal to H meter.